It's already recording.
1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. Ellie and Dad, try some snacks. I tried to harmonize there. Try something new.
You tried.
You don't like it? I'm Dad.
And I'm Ellie.
And today we are trying snacks from South America.
South America! Yay!
So what do we got first, Stellar?
First, we have Dulce. Okay! That hurt really bad. We have these Dulce de Leche wafer cookies. Oh, am I going the wrong way? There we go. Dulce de Leche wafer cookies from, what's it called again? Columbia. Dulce de Leche wafer cookies from Columbia.
Now, do you know what Dulce de Leche is?
It's like a caramel butterscotch thing that you put on ice cream. It's good.
Fun fact, Eller.
Mm-hmm.
You can make Dulce de Leche by boiling a can of condensed milk. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
Mm.
Mm. So, I opened the box and I expected it to be like a normal cookie package, but...
Looks like we're making our own sandwiches.
But I think that there's a bag that looks the same as the box, but it's a bag. And then there's little tinfoil like packets, like ketchup comes in at McDonald's, and there's squishy stuff inside.
Looks like fun, Eller.
So I think we're supposed to... They smell like... Oh, what is that? Oh! It's a little
pancake.
It looks like styrofoam. They're very light. It's like make a good frisbee. Okay, so do we each get 2, or do you just want to make one and then share it? Let's just make one, because they're pretty huge. Like, compared to my head. Is it coming out? Oh, it's like... It looks like... Ew, it's juicing. It's like thick, but then it has like a juice. That's weird. Not what I expected. You got it? It's a lot thicker than I thought it would be. Maybe it's just because like we left it sitting for like a really long time.
Should I stick this all on there?
I don't know, I think so. I think you're... Oh, get every last bit. Oh, Dad! Don't put it on the... Ew. It's like a weird booger thing.
It's caramel.
It looks kind of good.
Or it's Dulce de Leche, rather.
Yeah. I think they taste pretty similar. These are like... They smell like rice cakes. Like fancy pancake rice cakes. So we have smushed it together. And now it's just 2 layers. Does it look like the box?
Just like it.
Except it doesn't have the swirls. Okay.
Yeah. Well,
So
it kind of has swirls.
Should I crack it?
Yeah.
See if I can make one of those like commercials where it's like, oh, that was sad. Here, do you want the big piece? Okay, ready? I'm gonna take a bite right out of the middle. That's good.
That's a good snack.
Oh, that's really good.
I shouldn't spoil what I think of it. Why is good?
Well, I just said it was really good.
It's kind of like a fortune cookie.
Yeah.
Taste.
Just like a fortune cookie with
Imagine
caramel on it. Caramel.
A fortune cookie.
With a melted Werther on top.
I was going to say one of those Kraft caramel
Yeah, that
guys. This little squares. Speaking of little squares, have you got another snack for us?
That's a little square. I'm still eating the other thing.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. I have a guava paste jelly guava paste cube.
Thing. From where?
From the I can't keep it in my head. It's Columbia.
Do you know where Columbia is, Ella?
It's
It's at the top of South America. Bocadilla de Guayaba. Sorry, Spanish speakers. It's like a guava square paste.
It looks like a
square.
wet brownie.
I don't think. Oh, let's smell it first.
It doesn't smell like anything. I can't smell anything.
You don't.
I'm like kind of
No,
sick.
you got a cold. I smell kind of a raisiny prune type.
A lot of things just smell like old fermented fruit. I can't smell. Oh, I know. I can't smell anything. Oh well. Oh, it smells like rotten fruit. Yeah.
Will probably affect your taste buds. It's kind of got like
It tastes like those natural fruit gummies.
Mm-hmm.
Like that hippies.
Hippie gummies.
That like
Hippie fruit roll-ups.
yeah.
Homemade fruit roll-ups. Got some graininess in there.
Yeah. Like
But
when honey gets old.
That's good.
Yeah.
I thought it might be too overpowering, too
It tastes like
fruity. It's
tastes
not
like yeah, it tastes like a hippie gummy plus like
hippie gummy.
yeah, it's a hippie gummy.
All right, Ellie. Are you done with sweet snacks for a bit?
Yes.
Because I've got chicharrones.
That looks scary.
This big old sack of chicharrones.
It looks like bubbling.
Basically,
skin.
well, that's funny you should say that. Do you know what
Why?
a pork rind is?
Is it pig skin?
Yeah.
Like the rind of a watermelon put on an animal? Here,
This is basically
get the big piece.
fried puffed
Oh, it feels weird.
pig skin.
It's a lot lighter than. Oh wow, that's a lot.
I've never actually, like, you can get pork rinds.
It smells like those dog treats that rich people have, who want to give their dogs like real meat.
Dog treats. You can get pork rinds around here in your typical Canadian grocery store or even convenience
It
mart.
smells really bad.
But these are a lot bigger.
Yeah, these are huge.
And I guess the difference between chicharrones and pork rinds is the amount of fat. One has more or something.
Do you just eat the whole thing, or is it like?
Well, let's just try this guy.
Okay, just a little curl. Ew. I don't like the smell of it.
It's like a bacon cheesy.
Yeah, it tastes like it's.
Tastes like a what now?
It tastes like if someone wanted to flavor a chip, like a pork chop, but didn't do it right. Why are you still eating it?
But it's like a cheesy
Yeah.
texture. Puffed corn.
Pork chop cheesy. That's what this is.
Pork chop cheesy. That's what this is.
Cheese and pork chop.
Now, Allie, that's 3 snacks.
But wait, we've got more snacks. Except, it's not a snack. It's a drink.
It's Sol Del Cusco. Sol Del Cusco. Hot Peruvian hot chocolate.
From Peru. Wait, Dad, it's not just a normal chocolate bar. You're supposed to drop it in the thing.
Smell that.
Oh, that smells, it kind of smells like hot apple cider. You're supposed to drop it in the thing. Then you make hot chocolate with it. And it's a special, oh.
You're supposed to use mostly milk. So dissolve that guy.
Ew.
Now I warmed up this milk so that it wouldn't be.
Oh, now it looks kind of like hot chocolate, but with chunks in it. How does it smell? It smells like apple cider, but with milk in it.
I'm gonna make it in this mug. Well, you try it. Maybe you try it while I make mine.
It sounds like it would smell gross, but it doesn't really. I have a spoon, and I'm gonna try it. It's a lot more pale than normal hot chocolate.
Maybe I didn't use enough chocolate.
Yeah, it tastes like kind of weak hot chocolate, but it's good.
Maybe I should have used a bar per thing.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to.
Well, this is supposed to make a liter of milk.
It's really good, though. I think it's good. I enjoy this. What do you think?
You know, that would be nice. In some coffee, I think.
Yeah.
I had some Mexican coffee this one time in Mexico. And I think it would taste very similar to that.
It's
which
good.
was good. Okay, Ellie.
It's really good.
So what was your favorite snack today?
I think my favorite snack were these. These wafer Dulce de Leche patty cookie make it yourself things. I enjoyed those. What was your favorite, Dad?
Well, I also liked those. If I had to pick a favorite, I think I would pick this hot chocolate.
The hot chocolate. Now, my second favorite was the hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Second favorite was Dulce de Leche sandwiches. What did you think of this guava paste?
That one was my least favorite.
Least favorite.
Yeah, I liked the pig skin more than the guava paste.
I liked this next guava paste. The hippie fruit roll-up square. And I liked the chicharrones.
I
like those the least. Only because
they were gross.
it left like
a film.
chunks in my mouth.
Ew.
Right?
I
Even now.
You're supposed to swallow it.
Hmm?
There's nothing on your tongue right now. No. Dad. Ew, what is that?
Chicharrone hunk.
No one needed to know that. Okay.
Well, she's Ellie.
And he's Dad.
And we
tried
some
snacks. Wow, that was a long one. So make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks.
You said harmonize, but we were both doing different things.
Harmonize is when I leave around your notes.
Oh.